afternoon, children. Hope you all are in the pink of health. I know you all are fit and energetic like gas particles. But now due to this pandemic situation, you are forced to behave as if you were solid particles, isn't it? You are unable to go anywhere, your movement is restricted. But never mind, we will come out of this situation. Now children, in biology, you might have studied, not might have, you have studied about life processes, isn't it? Like circulation, respiration, excretion. Yes, you know about all this. Now all these life processes are carried out in our body 24/7. All the organs in our body are functioning without taking rest, isn't it? Our body is like a machine, non-stop it is working. Now even if one of the tires of our vehicle gets punctured or gets damaged, what we do? We go to the mechanic and the problem gets solved. But if one of the organ in our body, if it decides to take a hartal, innu njan pravarthikilla, angane vicharicha, what happens? We too will have to go, not to a mechanic but to a doctor, fixes our problem, takes care of us. See, machine level nammal ennayikku ittu kodukkum, grease okke apply cheyum, so that the machine will work efficiently. Adeypole we have to take care of our body also, isn't it? So today my topic is also related to processes, just like it is happening in our body. But today the processes are happening to the states of matter in my topic today. The states of matter, you know, solid, liquid, gases, they too undergo different processes. What are those? So first topic today is about the processes happening to solids, liquids and gases. Please pay attention. Now there is a figure in your textbook in the form of a triangle. Please have a look into this figure. This figure, you have to write it in your file. Did you all have a look? You all should write this in the file. Now I will go to the detailed explanation. Clear, children? So first is, you know, three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Now listen carefully. When solid changes to liquid, solid urigi to liquid aagumbo, you have studied so far as melting, isn't it? But now you are in 8th standard. We will go one step further. When solid changes to liquid, the process is called as liquefaction. What it is? Liquefaction. What is it called? Liquefaction. Okay? Now when a liquid, see, when a liquid changes to solid, the arrow is pointing towards the solid. And what is the process called? Liquid is changing to solid. The process is called as solidification. Solid arrow. What was solidification? Understood this? And look, when you write the arrows, you have to be very clear. You should have an idea about it. Solid changing to liquid, the arrow must point towards liquid. When liquid changes to solid, the arrow must point towards solid. Clear? Now, you might have studied in UP classes. When liquid changes to gas, see, the liquid is changing to gas. What is the process called? It is called as vaporization. Liquid, for example, vellam chudakkumbo adu aavi aayittu poville, gas aaville, appo adine entha paraya? Vaporization. Clear? Teacher, when gas changes to liquid, aavine namukku tirichu vellamaakan pattum. Okay, that process is called as condensation. What is it called? Condensation. Aavi ingane povumbo aa aavine onnu cool cheyidal madi. Ice okke tattichal adu thanne vellayittu taade varum. So that is called as condensation. Is this clear? Now comes again gas changing to solid. When a gas changes to solid state, see, gas is changing to solid, so the arrow is towards solid. That process is called as solidification. Solidification. Gas പിന്നെയും solid ആവുകയാണ്. Solid ആവുമ്പോൾ ആ പ്രോസസ്സിന് എന്താ പറയുക? Solidification. ഇവിടെ കണ്ടോ, ലിക്വിഡ് solid ആവുമ്പോൾ solidification. Gas solid ആവുമ്പോൾ again it is called as solidification. Okay? Now, the next important process that you have not studied so far, you might have heard about it. When a solid changes to gas, the process is called as sublimation. What is it called? Sublimation. Sublimation. Solid changes to gas. Now, what is this sublimation? I'll tell you. But now, is this triangle clear to all of you? 3 states of matter. States of matter can be interchanged. Solid can change to liquid, liquid can change to solid again. But the process names are different. So you should write this in the file and you should be thorough also. See, liquid changes to gas, it is called as vaporization. But when gas changes to liquid, it is called as condensation. Gas to solid, solidification. But solid to gas, it is called as sublimation. Now I am coming to sublimation. Sublimation. What is the meaning of sublimation? The definition of sublimation is the process in which a solid directly changes to gas without changing into liquid. The process in which a solid directly changes to the gaseous state without changing into the liquid state is called as sublimation. See here, solid changes to gas and the liquid are here. Clear? Understood what is sublimation? Okay. Now what are the examples of sublimable substances? This is also very important. They always ask this question. Clear? Now sublimable substances means what? Solids നേരെ gas ആയി മാറുന്ന ചില substancesന്റെ പേരാണ് ഇവിടെ എഴുതിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. What are those? First is camphor. What is camphor? കർപ്പൂരം. എവിടെയാണ് നിങ്ങൾ കർപ്പൂരമൊക്കെ കാണാൻ ചാൻസ്? അമ്പലത്തിൽ പോയാൽ കർപ്പൂരം കാണിച്ചിട്ട് ആ ഗ്യാസ് ഇങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾ ചിലവരൊക്കെ ചെയ്യണം കാണാനില്ലേ നിങ്ങൾ? സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് എൻ എക്സാമ്പിൾ ഓഫ് സബ്ലിമേഷൻ. കർപ്പൂരം നേരെ ഗ്യാസ് ആവും, ചൂട് തട്ടിയാൽ അത് ലിക്വിഡ് ആവില്ല. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് camphor. Okay. Next is naphthalene. What is naphthalene? That is also a white color solid. പാറ്റഗുളിക കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ നിങ്ങൾ? മോത്ത് ബോൾസ്, അത് naphthalene ആണ്. If you keep it outside for 1 week or maybe 10 days, it will disappear. Those solid mothballs, that is naphthalene balls, directly changes to gas. You can't see it if you keep it open. Clear? Now the third one is iodine. It is also a sublimable substance. Iodine is violet color solid. Okay. Now when we heat it, it directly changes to violet colored gas. Vapors violet in color. So this is also a sublimable substance. Next is ammonium chloride. It is a white colored powder. നമ്മുടെ ഫേസ് പൗഡറിനെ പോലെ white color powder. That is ammonium chloride. That is also sublimable. That means on heating, it will directly change to gas. It will not change to liquid. Clear? So once again, sublimation means solid directly changes to gas without changing into the liquid state. Examples of sublimable substances are camphor, naphthalene, iodine and ammonium chloride. Hope you all have understood so far. Now after this there is a table. This table I discussed in the previous class. You remember? When solid changes to liquid, what happens to the movement, distance, attraction, energy? Yes. So please have a look at this table. So first one, I'll just discuss first column, that is when solid changes into liquid. The remaining 3 columns you have to do it on your own. So first one is movement of particles. What will happen to movement when solid changes to liquid? It increases. You have to write there increases, not just I. Okay, increases. Then distance between particles. What happens? Again, it increases. Third, attraction between particles. Here you have to be careful because when a solid changes to liquid, attraction decreases. So you have to write decreases. Fourth one, energy of particles. Again, when solid changes to liquid, energy increases. So first column I have done it for you. The remaining three you have to try and do it on your own. For that, you should have that figure in your mind. Remember which figure? Yes, the particles very close, then apart. Remember? Okay. Understood so far? So first was osmosis, then second was about sublimation, and the third one was about the table that you have to write in the file. This also you have to write in the file. Sublimable substances. 4 substances names have given, you have to write. Now I am going to move on to the next topic that is called as diffusion. You are hearing this for the first time. What is diffusion? I'll tell you the definition, okay. Just by hearing the definition, I don't think it will be clear. I have to tell many examples. So, I can't demonstrate all that in the class. You have to be very, very careful to what I am telling. So, diffusion is the spontaneous mixing of particles having freedom of movement. Listen again. Diffusion is the spontaneous mixing of particles having freedom of movement. What is spontaneous? Spontaneous means immediate. പെട്ടെന്ന് മിക്സ് ആവും. ഏത് പാർട്ടിക്കിൾസ്? മൂവ്മെന്റ് ഉള്ള പാർട്ടിക്കിൾസിന് മാത്രമേ ഡിഫ്യൂഷൻ നടക്കുള്ളൂ. Okay? Understood the definition? Now it won't be clear. You should listen to many examples. Okay, children. Now I will go as it is given in your text. First, there is an example of iodine crystals. Iodine crystals, it is heated in a glass jar, or you can take a watch glass. And when iodine crystals are heated in that watch glass, we have to keep a gas jar over it and collect the violet colored vapors. Then over this gas jar you can invert one more gas jar. What can you see? The vapors, it goes to the second one which was inverted over it. Now look at this figure, you will have a clear idea. Can you see the violet vapors in the top jar also? It was there down. How did it reach up? Because of diffusion. The gas particles mixed in air. So that is called, that mixing is called as diffusion. That word is very important. As soon as you if you hear the word diffusion, what should come to your mind? The words spreading or mixing. I'll tell you one more example. Listen carefully. Now you all have incense stick in your house. You all will have it. Agarbatti. Incense stick. That is agarbatti. Now when you light an agarbatti kattikkumbo, what happens? The smell or the fragrance spreads into the whole room. All over it spreads, isn't it? You know it? We all do it in our house, especially when we pray to God. Yes, incense stick is agarbatti. When we light it, the fragrance spreads. But can I ask you a question? If I keep an agarbatti simply in the room, will the smell spread? No, I have to light it. Adine choodaakkanam, kattikkanam. Ennale agarbatti smell varum. Listen to this. Note this point because I am coming to something else now. Okay? So this was the first example that is given in your book. When an incense stick is lit, the smell or the fragrance spreads all over. Clear? Now there is one more example in the book. The smell of hot cooked food. For example, your mother is preparing biryani. Very hot, aromatic biryani. Now what will happen? The smell will spread all over, isn't it? The spread, even the neighbors will come to know that your mother has prepared biryani because the particles, it will mix in the air very fast. Those particles have higher freedom of movement. They can move very fast. So, if we prepare something, our neighbors also come to know about it. But can I again ask you, now suppose your mother just mixes everything and keep it on the gas. She doesn't light it. Will you get the smell? Will your neighbor get the smell? No. Only when she puts the gas stove on, when the biryani gets cooked, they get to know the smell. For example, rasam or sambar, whatever, only when it is hot, the smell spreads everywhere. Okay? Now why I have been telling you all this is, there is a reason, listen carefully. Diffusion is affected by two factors. Two factors can affect diffusion. It is dependent on two factors. First is temperature. When temperature increases, diffusion increases. That is why I told you, when we light agarbatti or when we heat the food, only then the smell spreads. Spreading is diffusion, remember. Diffusion means spreading or mixing of particles. So from the agarbatti, from the hot food, the particles are mixing in air and the smell is spreading, and that is called as diffusion. So diffusion depends on temperature. Temperature can cause a change in diffusion. Okay? Now I am just going again below to the page. They have given one example. Diffusion is not only dependent on temperature, diffusion also depends on movement of particles. Movement of particles. Now tell me, which state of matter has the highest movement? Gas, isn't it? You know that. I told you many times, if you spray a perfume, the smell will go everywhere. Clear? It's because the gas particles have very high freedom of movement. They can move anywhere freely. Okay? So, movement also affects diffusion. For that, in your book, they have given one example. Now, suppose I am taking 2 drops of red ink on a watch glass. Will the ink spread? Just think, imagine, visualize. No, it will not spread. Okay, watch glass is a solid, it doesn't spread. But if I put 2 or 3 drops of red ink in water, in this glass that is water, if I put 2 or 3 drops of red ink and then stir, what happens? The water starts turning red in color. That means the red ink has diffused. Clear? Understood? It has spread in water. But my question is, diffusion, is it more in gas or in this liquid in water? In gas it is more. Ink will spread in water, but the rate will be less. So diffusion, the rate is very higher in gas, little less in liquid, and not at all there in solid. In the watch glass, the ink did not spread. Okay, I'll give you one more example. Now children, do you wash your own clothes? Do you wash? Do you help your mothers? Please help them. Wash. So while washing clothes, you might have seen your mothers using Ujala, Neelam. Ujala, Neelam, you know Neelam blue in color liquid? Okay. So just think, okay, 2 drops of Ujala if you put in mug without water, will it spread? No. But the same 2 or 3 drops if you put in a bucket full of water, it will become blue in color. All the water, the whole water becomes blue. Why? Because that particular liquid Ujala has diffused in water. Spread the iron. So diffusion, spreading, manslayo. Okay, that is a very good example to understand diffusion. What about in gas? I told you, neighbors within seconds. Clear, children? So that is diffusion. Diffusion is a mixing, spontaneous, immediate mixing of particles having freedom of movement. The particles should be able to move, only then diffusion will happen. Okay, I'll give you one more example so that you can understand diffusion better. Now suppose your neighbor, she has just pasted masala all over the fish and she has kept it. Will you get the smell? No. But when she fries it in oil, you can't resist the smell, isn't it? So there, diffusion related to temperature, you can see. ചൂടാക്കുമ്പോ എണ്ണയിലിട്ട് ചൂടായി വറക്കുമ്പോഴാണ് you get the smell. So diffusion is related to temperature. Now, one more example. The best example I always tell children in my earlier batches. You know tea bags? Yes. Tea bags, when you just put it in plain water, will the color change? No. But the same tea bags, when you put in hot water, what happens? The color changes, isn't it? So when the water was hot, tea bags, the particles started diffusing from the bags into water. So that is a clear idea of diffusion. Okay, so diffusion is mixing of particles in air. I told you many examples. Lighting of incense stick, the smell spreads. Hot cooked food, the smell spreads. Then I told you it is dependent on temperature. ചൂടാക്കുമ്പോഴാണ് diffusion കൂടുക. അല്ലേ, വെറുതെ മസാലയൊക്കെ പുരട്ടി വെച്ചാൽ സ്മെല്ല് വരില്ല. അതിന് ചൂടാക്കണം, ഗ്യാസ് വെച്ചിട്ട് ഓൺ ആക്കണം. അപ്പോൾ സ്മെല്ല് എല്ലാവരെയും പരക്കും. Then it depends on movement of particles. So diffusion depends on temperature and movement of particles. So diffusion is higher, no doubt, in gas because gas particles have high freedom of movement. Liquid also diffusion is there. I told you about tea bags, but little less than that is there in gas. Solids, the diffusion is almost nil. Clear? Understood? I hope this is very clear to you. Now they have asked you to write 3 examples of diffusion that you see in daily life. Daily life le kaanna examples are you. Just think. First one you can write there. Examples of diffusion in daily life, you just write it in your file one by one. See, here I have written what I am. Smell of flowers. If you keep jasmine flowers in the room, as soon as we enter the room, you get that pleasant smell, isn't it? Second one, smell of fruits. ഇപ്പോൾ ചക്ക, പഴുത്ത ചക്കയൊക്കെ മുറിച്ച് വീട്ടിൽ വെച്ചാൽ നിങ്ങൾ എത്ര ഒളിപ്പിച്ചാലും ആര് വന്നാലും അവർക്ക് ആ സ്മെല്ല് കൊണ്ട് മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ പറ്റും that you have hidden jackfruit in your house. You cannot stop jackfruit from emitting its smell. That is, diffusion will happen naturally. Third one, smell of perfumes. Clear? So here, all these cases, diffusion is happening. You can write your own examples. Now, for example, see, if we find someone smoking a cigarette, we just move away from that place because we can't resist the smell. Isn't it? We just go away from there. Or else if you happen to see garbage dumped in garbage bin, we avoid using that road, isn't it? We don't go through that way. We take the other way. Why? Because of the smell. Now, did we heat it? No. Do we heat flowers, fruits and perfumes? No. The smell automatically spreads because gas have very, very high movement. Okay, there is no need of heating flowers and all. It happens naturally. But to prove that diffusion is dependent on temperature, I told you about incense stick and hot cooked food. So is it clear, children? So today's topic was about the change happening to the states of matter and the names of the processes. Second was sublimation, solid directly changes to gas. Then sublimable substances. Then there is a table, that table you have to write in the file. Then comes diffusion. Diffusion means spreading or mixing. And I told you many examples to prove diffusion, and also that temperature and movement also affects diffusion. Okay, so as I said, I can't go on more and more, it will just complicate the matter. So I will stop here, and then next class I will be giving you explanation of some other topics also. So this is all for today, my dear children. Take care of your health. This is Amrita teacher signing off. Bye. Thank you.